What is up, YouTube? Today I have different work around my house. A lot of trees and especially a lot of birds. So many kind of birds around my house. But some bird they can make the nest near my house, and some bird they make the nest inside my house. So I'm really concerning because some kind of birds they make nest inside fan box. The fan box that means we need to turn on the fan all the time, especially daytime. So when they make the nest over here, maybe not good because electric is still running. Sometimes it's heat coming and burning the nest. This is a problem. So finally I decide make nest for them. So like this I can use the rest of his food and then I cut and make a box. So this box I can separate a tiny share, a tiny cell. This cell can make nest for the birds very easy. I like the birds, I like the nature, and I like the trees around my house. So finally I can do this for them. So right now I hope you are enjoy this. Even this one a bit different content. I know this different content, but I can sharing my you know uh, nature or the birds sing around my house. That mean as I did YouTube many times I saw or I can see the bird, and also when I recording a lot of birds noise around my house. I like it. I like the nature. I have I got two nests long times ago, but the bird has a big family right now. So like this, I decide make more nests for them. Last time I used coconut straw. I just make a tiny hole and then the big box inside. That means the bird can lay egg every time. So this one I made it long times, almost a couple years already, and the bird lay egg every month and every month. But I don't know, maybe many family come over here. So like recently, the more birds coming, they are actually fighting for the nest. And finally, I saw some bird get into my house and make the nest. So I don't want to stay inside the house, so I just make other nests around my house for them. Well done. Now it's worked very good. So I get uh 10, 10 cells, and this is can make 10 nests inside here, whatever they like it. So right now, let's me bring hang on uh, my house, front of my house. Let's see here. So this is two nests that I made from coconut husk. That I they made the nest inside there, But recently I saw one bird. It's stuck uh, inside the nest here because they brought some tiny strings, and then the string so tiny and then stuck there, and then luckily I can see them. So right now I start to put new nest over here. I hope they are enjoy. So later on I will hang the camera nearby. I can see what happened. Oh yes, right now I saw one bird coming to their old nest. I hope they enjoy the new nest also. Now they just looking around, they wondering what is it. Actually, this is a new nest for them. I hope they are enjoy and make more family, because early morning could say like a ring or like the bell wake us uh, sleeping, and then okay, right now I can see them right now. Yeah, I can see three of them, but more of them coming, but maybe some of them still scary, still wandering and searching around here. Yeah. Oh yes, I saw two of them or three right now. So they get inside the new nest and looking their nest in their nest, whatever they want. Just looking right now. Yeah. So I hope they enjoy, can make more family over here. So I love the birds. I love the nature. My land is not that big. I actually want a bigger. I can grow more tree. But right now, some kind of trees it start going up right now, and more. And this year a lot of mango. I'm luckily I have some mango. Now they have the fruit, even a tiny mango, and also, and I have also jackfruit. I have also dragon fruit and an orange and some flower around my yard. And when I wake up I can see, maybe I can show next video when I available do my home make. Yeah. And I really uh, happy to show this. I hope you guys are also happy to see the nature and the bird sing a song around. After you have some kind of birds around your house also. I love the bird. I always protect them because some people around here they actually try to disturb or kill them. Or I saw some like also like people they use slingshot and kill them also. Just just for eat. I don't like it. Thank you very much for your watching. I hope you enjoy, and also I really apologize. My English maybe not that good, but I hope you are happy. Thank